It's 2025. Inflation is rising. Banks are giving you less than 1% interest. And you're sitting there with just $100 thinking, what difference could this possibly make? But let me tell you something that could change your life forever. It is not about the amount. It's about what you do with it. Because if you know how to invest $100 wisely, you'll never look at money the same way again. This is the beginner's ultimate guide. Not hype, not fantasy, but real strategies backed by the most successful investors and timeless principles. Let's go deep. Let's start with your mindset. Most people take $100 and spend it. The wealthy? They plant it. They don't see $100 as money, they see it as a seed. Chris Reining started investing $100 a month in his 20s. He retired at 37, not because he won the lottery, but because he understood this. Consistency beats intensity, habits beat hacks, and time beats timing. As Morgan Housel writes in The Psychology of Money, building wealth has little to do with your intelligence and a lot to do with your behavior. So before we touch stocks, crypto, or anything else, remember, if you can master investing $100, you're already more financially intelligent than 90% of people. But first, let's make sure you don't fall into the traps most beginners do. Here are the 3 worst ways to invest $100 in 2025. Number 1. Jumping on crypto hype. If you're buying a coin just because it's trending on Twitter, you're not investing, you're gambling. Number 2. Day trading. Studies show 97% of day traders lose money in the long run. It's marketed as freedom, but it's really financial burnout. Number 3. Following viral TikTok hacks that promise $10,000 from $100 in a week. If it sounds too good to be true, it is. No strategy that's real needs hype to sell. Now let us talk about the best ways to invest that first 100. And we begin with the most underrated one of all. Investing in yourself. Books, courses, micro skills. Because the highest ROI doesn't come from the stock market. It comes from your brain. As Ramit Sethi, author of I Will Teach You to Be Rich, says, the single best investment you can make is in learning high-value skills. Spend $100 on learning how to use AI tools, or take a Notion design course, or learn how to edit short videos for businesses. People are making thousands every month doing what they learned from a $49 course. You are one skill away from a new income stream. And that skill might just start with the book you buy today. The second smart way to invest $100 is what Warren Buffett himself recommends: index funds. You don't need to be an expert. You don't need to predict the market. You just need to buy a piece of it. With apps like Fidelity, Vanguard, or Robinhood, you can buy fractional shares of ETFs, like VOO, which tracks the S&P 500. That means you're buying a slice of Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Google, all in one simple investment. Between 2013 and 2023, VOO averaged over 12% per year. That's the quiet power of compounding, and it's available to you right now with just $100. As Benjamin Graham taught in The Intelligent Investor, the essence of investment management is the management of risks, not the management of returns. Index funds are exactly that. Long-term, low-risk wealth builders. Now, let's go further. Strategy number 3, digital real estate. And no, I'm not talking about buying property. I'm talking about assets that live online and grow in value. You can buy into REITs, real estate investment trusts, using apps like Fundrise. With as little as $10, you own a piece of buildings, malls, apartments, without buying the whole thing. But digital real estate goes beyond that. Buy a domain for $12 and flip it for $500. Start a YouTube automation channel, launch a Notion template or digital product. The tools exist, the systems are cheap. And if you play the long game, your $100 can become something far bigger than you imagine. Strategy 4. Buy into systems, not promises. This is the secret that separates the financially free from the forever broke. As MJ DeMarco writes in Unscripted, people chase events, the wealthy build systems. Use your $100 to build an automated money machine. Start by opening a Roth IRA or your country's equivalent. Set it up to auto-invest just $10 a week. Buy an ETF. Forget it, or use the money to buy tools like Canva Pro, Notion AI, ChatGPT+, not because they're cool, but because they help you build faster, smarter, better. Leverage is the new currency. Your tools, your skills, your automations, that's how you scale from $100 to freedom. So here's my challenge to you. What if you treated your $100 as the beginning of a 90-day wealth transformation? Here's how. Day 1, buy one book from this video. Read it. Day 2, open an investing account. Put $50 in a long-term ETF. Day 3, use $30 to learn a skill, one that you can monetize in 30 days. Day 4, take the last $20 and launch something, anything. A template, a landing page, a social media page, and then repeat next month and the next. And watch what happens in 12 months. Because the truth is, your first $100 isn't about the money, it's about the momentum. Once you see money as a tool and not a goal, you stop chasing and you start building. So, what are you going to do with your $100? If you got value from it, subscribe to our channel. We will release several episodes to make you achieve wealth in a simple and straightforward way. Thanks for watching.